Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Justin and today we're going to be talking about a highly requested feature AMP users have been wanting for a while is an SDK. The Amp TypeScript SDK lets you integrate AI coding agents directly in your application. So let me show you how this works. Installation is simple. Just simply install the package. Next, we want to go to settings on ampcode.com so we can copy your key. Then we'll run export and put your AMP API key in there. Here's the simplest way to use the AMP SDK. You import the execute function, pass in a prompt, in this case, break down how many file types are in this directory, and AMP streams back the response in real time. As AMP works, it sends multiple messages, tool usage, and status updates, and finally the result. 10 lines of code to get AMP agents working in your app. We're going to run the script, and there's the result. There's so much more you can do. So check the link out in the description or go to ampcode.com/manuals/SDK. All right, that's all we have for this video. My name is Justin, and we will catch you in the next one. Thanks.